Hey everyone, welcome back to Stefy Talks. Welcome back to another video, and it's going to be on this little cute pink box from Eylure. And basically back last month, so back in December, it was last month, we had an amazing PR event, and it was basically on the rebranding of Eylure. So obviously Eylure had a different look to I would say maybe a couple of months ago, and they've obviously changed it to the new branding. So this is the new logo, and this is the new branding and everything. And we were invited to a really nice event. It was a really nice tea room, and it was amazing. So I thought I'll just open this, show you guys a little bit of stuff that we got inside the PR box, and also show you how to apply one of the new lashes. So let's get into it. So I'm opening it up. These are the contents. I actually haven't opened this since the launch, so it's been on the side waiting to be filmed for ever and ever. And today is actually my birthday, so I'm actually filming this on the 5th of January. It's my birthday. This is my birthday makeup. I just literally went very normal and very usual because I didn't want to do any eye makeup. But anyways, I'm filming it on my birthday and getting this done because this box has been lying on the side waiting to be filmed forever, and you know, I'm getting into the schedule of getting things done. So basically these are the contents in the box, which have just dropped something. So let's start with the one I dropped. So this is the new volume packaging for Eylure. So they always have the volume, and these are the 100, which are the light volume. Now these are very popular here in Malta. The number 100s are very popular. They're the ones, let me just try and get, there you go, the ones with no strip lash, and they're just really nice natural volume lashes. They're one of my favorites. I used to use these a lot way back when. I tend to use the magnetic ones. Let me show you which ones I'm using at the moment. Let me find them. Where did I put them? Good question. I was tidying up. Let me check. Oh, here they are. These are the ones I'm constantly using. Obviously they're kind of moved. These are the half lash, what are they called, the accent lash? I think they're like accent corner lash, magnetic lash from Eylure. I use these all the time. They're reusable. Get back in focus. These are the ones I tend to use a lot, and you use them more than once and they're amazing, and there's no glue, so can't really complain with those. Those are the ones I use a lot. So going off topic, but let me tell you what else is in this package. You guys want to see what's in the next? What's in the other thing I see? My favorite magnetic lashes. So these are the ones I was showing you there. They are called the Baroque corner lashes. Includes the compact and applicator. So let me show you what they look like. So these are the corner lashes. To me, these are the most easiest things you can ever use. The fact that they're the corner lashes means you will get one magnet, and it's right in the middle, and you literally put one on top, one on the bottom, clip, and you're good to go. So these have been my ride or die lashes for the past couple of months. Like since they've launched, these have been my favorites. So thank you to Eylure for adding these to the PR box because I love them. Okay, next is a lash applicator. Now I just bought one from MAC recently. God knows where it is. It's somewhere over here, but it is here. But this is an Eylure one, which is great. Let's see if this is going to. So this is good for those who are, you know, loving eyelashes and you kind of constantly apply your fake eyelashes, your false eyelashes. It would be very good to use. Now obviously at the moment I'm really using, again, magnetic, so I've got the plastic one. Not sure if I've got one here to show you what it looks like. Can't see it. Oh, here it is. So this is basically the same thing. Yeah, let me see if I can show you guys. But it's a plastic version, so because of the magnets. But this is the actual metal one, which obviously is better for when you're doing false lashes, guys. Okay, now the last thing in the box is what's the whole purpose of this video, which is these. These are the new pre-glued lashes. Now these are a 15-hour wear and 15 seconds to apply. That's what they state. Let me show you guys. So it's 15-hour wear and 15 seconds to apply. So they're stating that they take, there we go, hi, nice to meet you. They're stating that it takes 15 seconds to apply these, and we're gonna put it to the test today in this video. So I'm not putting on my magnetic lashes today, I'm putting on these, and these are the 117 Fluttery Light. So these are available in the normal ones with the glue, which is basically like this with the glue inside, but obviously these are the pre-glued, so literally you just put them on and you're good to go. So it tells you on the back how to apply them as well. Let me show you. So you can cut them if you need to, and you just put them on, and it says get lashes in 15 seconds, stay lashed for 15 hours. So that's a quite particular thing, you know, to say. And it actually tells you here that the cotton is recyclable, and even the tray and lid are recyclable, so they're trying to be eco-friendly as well, which is great. So it tells you that they're recyclable, which is pretty cool. So let's get into the demonstration, shall we? Let's go. So this is what it looks like. So you have the right on the top and the left on the bottom. So I'm just going to carefully I think I should get like a mirror. Be right back. Okay guys, so let's try an attempt. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see much better. Okay guys, I've got the mirror right here to see, because this is a very sticky so going to try and attempt this again. I think I did it. Probably a couple of seconds, but I think I did it. I think that was less than 15 seconds, definitely. But yeah. What do you guys think? So that is the side with it, and then that's nothing. So I think that was literally seconds, literally. And I like how it gives you a bit more eyeliner, but what I'll do is I'll just kind of go over that with eyeliner. So that is what it looks like. With lashes, without lashes. Let's do this side. Okay, getting it. There we go. I feel like this is more fuller. I don't know why, but maybe it's the way I did it. Let's go back into normality. You guys, so those are the lashes. Let me show you them quickly. Oh, I have one eye that's different than the other. You can tell no eye is the same, but that's how quick and easy they're done. I'm going to zoom you back out so you can see the final look. So guys, that was so quick and easy to do. I'm like so amazed. Like, oh wow, like yes, this one is different because I have to cut this one because it's just looking a bit weird, and for some reason the glue is so tacky that I had to improvise because I had to cut some from the outer corner because I lost some of the glue. It is me at the end of the day, you know. But yeah, they look amazing. And the thing is, on this side I tend to kind of do something with my hair and stuff. So basically that is the look for the rest of the night. What do you guys think? Quick and easy, less than 15 seconds if you're doing it yourself. Maybe on other people it might take 15 seconds, but on yourself 5-10 seconds literally. So that is basically how easy the pre-glued are. Might have to invest in some of these. Let's just hope they stay on quite well. We will see. So yeah, that was a very quick and easy video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one.